Welcome to the Baler Minute. I am Miss Porter, the drama teacher and improv teacher at San Benito High School. Congratulations to the junior class for winning the Powder Puff Championship over the seniors last Saturday. The juniors also won the cheer competition, and Naya Alvarez was named Powder Puff Queen. Don't forget that you can access the online services of the Baler Wellness Center by clicking the link at the top right corner of the school website or following it on Instagram. Pink Out Week dress-up days continue ahead of Friday's Pink Out football games against Palma. Students and staff are encouraged to wear pink to support breast cancer awareness. T-shirts are available in the Student Payment Center. Follow Baler News and Baler Sports on Instagram. And remember, every day is a great day to be a Baler.